Hello everyone, welcome back to Oracle EBS Pro Learning channel. I hope you are doing very well. If you are watching this series for this first time and you are new to Oracle EBS, I recommended watching the previous videos first. They will help you understand the basic concepts before we move into the general ledger module, or someone who already knows EBS can directly start with this video. The previous session cover what is Oracle EBS, Oracle EBS financial module, Procure-to-Pay, order to cash, record to report. Once we have a basic understanding of these topics, we can continue with this video where we will focus on Oracle General Ledger navigation. First, let's understand what General Ledger is before we move to the Oracle EBS application. GL is the central accounting module in Oracle EBS. Accounting information generated from different financial process ultimately comes together in general ledger for accounting, review and reporting. In today's session, we will start our Oracle EBS hands-on training series with the general ledger module. In this video, I will show how to log into Oracle EBS, select the relevant responsibility, navigate to the general ledger module, and understand the main GL menus and functions. Then switch to our Oracle EBS application demo. We are now at the Oracle EBS login screen. We enter the relevant user credentials and log into the Oracle EBS applications. After logged in, the available responsibilities determine which menus and functions you can access. Here responsible screens appear, how we are selecting the general ledger responsibility for our training. And a responsibility controls the menus, functions, and access available to the user within Oracle EBS. After selecting the general ledger responsibility, the navigator display the functions available under that responsibility and showing the left side buttons. On the navigator, we have several options for expanding and collapsing the navigation hierarchy, and the plus allow us to expand, and minus collapse the selected level, and double plus can be used for expand, and double minus multiple level of the hierarchy we can collapse and expand it. This is the Oracle EBS Navigator window. The Navigator provides access to the menus, functions available under the selected responsibility. From here, we can expand the different menu areas and navigate to the required general ledger functions. These are the functions. And the function tab show the menus and functions available under our general ledger responsibility. From here, we can access areas such as general, setup, inquiry, and reports. The available functions depend on the responsibility and user access. For example, general. The general menu is for general related activities. We can enter generals, post generals, import generals, and work with other general related functions. And we will cover general entry and posting is more details in the later hands-on session. Then move to setup. The setup areas contain general ledger configuration related functions. This is where we will access several of the setup screen that we will use in our upcoming configuration sessions. And move to inquiry. The inquiry menu is used to review and investigate accounting information such as journals, accounts, and balances. And move to top 10 list. And on the this right side, we have the top 10 list. It provides quick access to frequently used functions. So user don't have to navigate through the complete menu every time. So like I move this top 10 list. Next time once click on that, it goes to the transactions window for business process. No need to go for the navigation again, general, enter, like that. So in the today's session, we covered the basic general ledger navigation in Oracle EBS. We started with the login and general ledger responsibility, followed by the navigator, functions, menu controls, top 10 list, and the main general ledger menus. We also briefly introduced generals, setups, inquiry reports. Next slide. Before we finish today's navigation session, let's quickly review a few useful Oracle EBS keyboard shortcuts. How to shortcuts, say what it does, demonstrate it once. For example, press F11. Now the form is in query mode and I can enter my search criteria. Then Control F11 execute the query. Then system now displays matching records. This is complete our introduction to Oracle General Ledger Navigation. Go to next slide. So in the next video, we will start the practical GL configuration. We will begin with the chart of accounts and key flex field, including the accounting structure, segments, value set, and segment values. I will demonstrate these configurations step by step in the EBS instance. Thank you for watching. Please join me in the next video as we continue our Oracle EBS General Ledger practical training. Have a good day.